everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. Now as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll learn how to find the number of even factors of any given number. So without further ado, let's begin with our topic. Now before moving on to the even factors of a number, let us first understand what does the term factors mean. So the factor of a number is nothing but the number which is less than or equal to it and which divides the given number. So for example, if I have the number 12, then all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are called as the factors of 12 because they are either less than or equal to it and it divides the given number 12. Now moving on to the even factors, you can simply understand by the term itself, even factor means that the numbers which are divisible by 2 or which are simply even. So I can see that 2, 4, 6 and 12 are over here even factors of the number 12. So I can say that this number has 4 even factors. Now this was a pretty simple example. What if I tell you to find out the number of even factors of 100 factorial? Now this is a very large number, and to calculate all the factors of the number first and then simply note down all the even factors is simply impossible. So let's learn a very simple formula by which we can easily calculate the number of even factors for any given number. Now let's say the number given to us is n. Now first, to find out the even factors of a number, we first have to prime factorize this number. Now if you don't know what does prime factorization mean, prime factorizing a number is simply representing a number as the product of its prime factors raised to arbitrary powers. So let's say the number n can be represented as a into b into c, where a, b and c are prime numbers, and raised to the powers p, q and r, where p, q and r are natural numbers. Now there may be other prime factors of the number and so on, but we have taken only 3 prime numbers for the sake of simplicity. Now once we have represented the number as its prime factorized form, what we have to do is we just have to take out 1, 2 and then write the number. So let's say after taking out 1, 2 out, the number is something like this: a raised to power p into b raised to power q into c raised to power r and so on. Then the number of even factors of this number is equal to p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1 and so on and so forth, as many as powers and prime factors are there. So in short, what we have to do is we first have to prime factorize the given number, then we have to take a power of 2 common and then simply find out the total number of factors of this number, because this formula will simply give you the total number of factors for this number and total number of even factors for this number n. Now this may seem difficult, but this is a very simple concept. So let's solve a few examples so that if you have any doubt, then it will be clear. So starting with an easy question, we have to find that how many even factors of the number 100 are there. So first we have to prime factorize the number 100. Now 100 can be written as 2 square into 5 square, because 2 square is equal to 4 and 5 square is equal to 25. So 4 into 25 is equal to 100. So according to the formula, we have to take 1, 2 as common. So after taking out 1, 2 as common, we'll get 2 raised to power 1 into 5 square. So then we have to just apply the formula. So on applying the formula on this number, we'll get 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, which is equivalent as 2 into 3, and which comes out as 6. So the number of even factors of the number 100 is equal to 6. So according to our second question, we have to find the number of even factors of 12 to the power 3 into 15 raised to power 4. Now first we have to prime factorize the number according to our formula. So we know that 12 is equivalent as 2 square into 3 and it is raised to the power 3, and we know that 15 is equal to 3 into 5 and it is raised to the power 4. We get 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 4 into 5 raised to power 4. Now applying the laws of indices, we'll get 2 raised to power 6 into 3 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 4. So we have simply got the prime factorized form of the number, and we just have to apply the formula on it. So according to the formula, we have to take 1, 2 out as common. So we'll get 2 raised to power 5 into 3 raised to power 7 into 5 raised to power 4. So we just have to put this number in the formula and we'll get our answer. So it is equal to 5 plus 1 into 7 plus 1 into 4 plus 1. Now 5 plus 1 is equal to 6 into 8 into 5, and this number comes out to be 240, because 6 into 40 is equal to 240. The number of even factors for the given number is equal to 240. Now moving on to our third example. So according to this question, we have to find the number of even factors for the number 6 factorial. Now if you don't know what is the factorial of a number is nothing but the product of all the numbers from 1 up to the number n. Now in this we only take the natural numbers. So 3 factorial equal to 1 into 2 into 3. So 3 factorial is finally equal to 6. So as we are given 6 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, which can be written as 2 square, into 5 into 6, which can be also written as 2 into 3. So the prime factorized form is equal to 2 raised to power 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 4 into 3 raised to power 1 plus 1, which is equal to 3 square, into 5. So you can see that how quickly we have prime factorized the number, and I would recommend that you should follow the same procedure. So according to the formula, we just have to take 1, 2 out as common, so it will give 2 raised to power 3 into 3 square into 5. So number of factors which are even for the number 6 factorial is equal to 3 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. Now this is equal to 4 into 3 into 2, which is equal to 24. So the number of even factors for the number 6 factorial is equal to 24. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ACN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ACN Academy.